Page 65, Hometown Pride. They're not introducing anything new here. We're just using stuff we already know. Start with the right hand. Just make sure we got the notes and all that. And by now, you should be able to say the names of the notes in the music. It should be pretty comfortable with you, I hope. If it isn't, please go back and go through the book again, go through the videos again, review everything. But at the beginning, you put your third finger on E, so that puts you in here, this position, C position, big surprise. And it's the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's tied. Hang on to it to 1, 2. So we got a lot of tied notes here. Let's go over this carefully. At the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There's tied notes all over the place. So third line down. You're here. 1, 2, 3. And then second measure, look out. You got to put your third finger on the F. You just leave the thumb where it is. It's playing a note. And you bring the hand up. Do it while you're holding the note down so you're ready to go. And you're in this position. And then for the last line, you got a 1 beat rest to move your hand back down where it goes. Then the third measure of the last line, you got to reach up for the little finger for the A. And go ahead and just relax the hand. We changed hand positions again. We end up with second finger on the E. The right hand's moving around a little bit. This is kind of nice. Left hand, you're starting out with an A. A thumb on A, that puts you in this position. So we're here. You play that for 2 whole notes, and then for the next one, you got to come back down to C position. You just come down. It's just a. It's as if you're going to play the same note again, except in playing the same note. Instead of that, you're playing that note, and you're adding the C with it. That's all. Second line, F, G, and then when you get done with the second line, you're here, and the third line, you got to go back up. It's the same thing as we did on the first line, but we're going the other direction, just up. That's all. And thumb again for the third measure, third line, and then you're fine after that. The last line, you have 2 measures of this, and then you got 2 measures of nothing. And then finally that. Put the hands together. What do we get? Well, we're starting out here and here. So you're not starting out in C position in both hands. It's here. It's C position and D position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, as I hold the right hand down because it's tied, I'm playing a note in the left hand. And then 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The hands are moving around a little more, and now you're playing notes at different times in each hand, and sometimes they're together and sometimes they're not. The music's getting a little more complicated. So we want to take this slowly and carefully because it's important that we get this accurate before we go on. So you go and you learn it. Take it as slow as you have to go. Speed is not important. It says moderately, but that's after you've learned it. And moderately is a range anyway. What do you think moderately is? We'll play it with you very slowly though to double check these notes and rhythms because this is a little tricky. So go ahead and put your hands. The right hand is in C position and the left hand's in D position. I'll give us 4 counts and then we'll begin. It's almost like giving 5 counts because you have a rest on beat 1. But officially I give you 4 counts and then when you play the rest, that is you be quiet for the first beat. 1, 2, ready, go, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, off.